of SVKM School Dhule, I welcome you all for the virtual Teachers' Day celebration. Among many noble professions in the world, I feel proud to say I am a teacher because I always feel the sense of purpose and satisfaction in what I do. Today is Teachers' Day. On September 5th, every year, we celebrate Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Pillai's birth anniversary as Teachers' Day. We are going to start a program by lighting the lamp. On this Teachers' Day, SVKM School Dhule pays its tribute to the frontline warriors, the ones who practice medicine. It's none other than our doctors. So the next program is going to be a dedication for our doctors.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम्
Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai is a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Thinking about getting into teaching? Teaching is not just applying your own knowledge and skills, but you will be really surprised what a student can teach you. As a teacher, I learn so many things from my students every single day. I am a teacher and I am still a learner.
At our best, we are teachers.
The teacher is not a king himself, but he makes a king.
I'm a teacher. We are young and old, man and woman.
Teaching is a calling too. Leaders and magicians.
We teach history to those who will make history. I call my students my kids.
Because in a year together,
They aren't just kids in my class.
They become a part of my heart.
We are sometimes the only attentive adult in child's life.
We teach history, politics, and poetry.
We are shaping our students. We will shape forever.
We can change the world for better or worse.
I choose to be a teacher as a blessing, not a curse.
A good teacher can inspire hope.
Ignite the imagination.
A law of learning.
We are artists and musicians.
we inspire.
We care.
We motivate.
We global citizens.
Can change life with just the right mix of chalk and challenge.
To teach is to touch lives forever.
We teach kids that it's absolutely okay to make mistakes and fail.
We know that some of the most important moments arise from failure.
Every day we greet and step into the class.
Watch a teacher with class full of students.
You will see what real love is.
We are the cheerleaders, dream in stars, but never the stars.
Our SVKM students are
Teachers encourage minds to think.
Hands to create and hearts to love.
We love each and every moment.
Each and every student as our own.
But get it straight, we are not babysitters.
We are from different places.
We each have our own styles.
Teachers.
For talented.
E for elegant.
A for awesome.
C for charming.
H for helpful.
E for efficient. R for receptive.
We change the world.
At the best, we are teachers.
We are teachers, and I feel proud to say, yes, I am a teacher. Next, we are going to witness a sweet candy program, a virtual message show. Yes, our students are going to convey messages to our teachers. Do you know what really matters for a teacher? It's not a reward, it's not a prize, but a small appreciation from the students. It really matters. Yes, let's watch the virtual message by our SVKM students.
खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाई आशाओं के बादल छाए कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे ब्रह्मा विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः।
चाहत की रागनी से होठों पे सुर सजा ले, सरगम बना दे जिंदगी।
औरों के आंसुओं को अपनी हंसी से बदले, सच्ची मानवता है यही। चाहत की रागनी से।
Happy Teachers Day.
Thanks to my dear students. Happy Teachers Day.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाई, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम।
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Let's celebrate life, oh, let's celebrate life, oh, let's celebrate life, one world family.
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः।
चाहत की रागनी से होठों पे सुर सजा ले, सरगम बना दे जिंदगी।
औरों के आंसुओं को अपनी हंसी से बदले, सच्ची मानवता है यही।
चाहत की रागनी से होठों पे सुर सजा ले, सरगम बना दे जिंदगी।
औरों के आंसुओं को अपनी हंसी से बदले, सच्ची मानवता है यही। जिस तरह आसमां चांद तारे हैं सबके लिए, वैसे ही कर जाए रोशन जहां को सदा के लिए। यही कहते हुए
Remote learning has been eye-opening to say the least. It has made me appreciate communication skills and how in lockdown it has challenged me to work and learn in new ways. I suspect I won't be alone in thinking that, away from my classmates and teachers, and now suddenly appreciate what I had previously in my school. I'll never take the communication between my friends and staff granted again. I can't help but really miss the school environment. Yes, we miss the good old school days. School means
just as much as my family means to me. School life is full of making memories, being serious at times, doing crazy and funny stuff, being a topper or being a backbencher. I miss our second home, my school.
Views of the imagination, the windows which open up to a different world, which inspire us to explore the world. A library is not luxury, but one of the necessities of life. I miss my library.
Made us disciplined, taught us to be a part of a team with team spirit, built and revealed our characters. Sports are about the most incredible moments where sheer human will and desires overcomes the odds. These are the moments we remember. PE sessions are the major missing parts.
Movement and fitness, rhythm and beats. We learn to express our ideas and emotions creatively, using words, using moves. I miss my dance and music session.
First place, where it is shared. A place where people make friends. Uncountable stories, gossips, garnished with samosas.
You are the best because you brought best in us. Sometimes mother, sometimes friend, sometimes mentor, sometimes one among us. I miss my teachers.
The place where we are ourselves, where we are molded. Our happiness, fights, competitions, four-wall heaven. I miss the classrooms.
The best way to start a day is with prayer. Pray rejuvenates us, make us stay powerful and active throughout the day. I miss our spiritual starters, our school morning assembly.
Created priceless memories. Crazy conversation, pulling hair and snatching different boxes. Growing separately without growing apart. Life is better with true friends. I'm missing my own besties.
We miss our good old school days. The fun, learning, being late to class, friends, program, classrooms, and our school campus. Most of all our teachers. But nothing lasts forever. Not even this pandemic. Meet you all soon as possible. Thank you.
Yes, we really understand like how much you people miss school, your friends, your teachers, your canteen, the time that you spend with your friends. Yes, hope we all meet together. Stay positive. Yep. So next I would like to call upon Miss Neha for word of thanks.
Teachers are like the lighthouse that guide the students like a ship to the shores of life. I, Sneha, deem it as a great honor and privilege to present the vote of thanks on this auspicious day. First of all, let me start by giving a glory to the Almighty God for making this day a successful event. Next, I would like to express my gratitude towards our respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sunanda Menon, for her valuable time and guidance. I would like to express my gratitude towards our parents, teachers, and our wonderful kids for making this day a great success. Once again, thank you everyone for your presence. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. You all have a great day. Bye-bye.